There have been 11 homicides since the beginning of the year in the city of Cincinnati, and now the police chief wants to beef up patrols and target hotbeds to reduce crime. 9 on Your Side's Tony Moronis tells us part of that plan began today by recruiting veteran Ohio cops.
The police department put the ad online today for current experienced cops in Ohio to apply. The job description, Ohio police officer with 2 years experience. It pays $52 grand a year.
We're desperate for officers to be on the street.
Captain Doug Wiseman is the Cincinnati Police Academy commander. He needs a class of 20 veteran cops trained in a 3 to 4 month period. That way, the department can begin building up its SERVE unit, which means Cincinnati Initiative to Reduce Violence.
This class would supplement the experienced officers they take from the street to create that gang unit and to backfill those positions out in the field.
Wiseman's bigger goal is to have a rookie class of 60 to get them on the streets by March of next year. That'll help keep the force at current staffing from officers who are expected to retire by the end of 2015.
It's exciting. I'm pleasantly surprised that we're already getting some people calling us.
The Academy's goal is to get the 20 transferred cops into the classroom by June and the 60 new recruits into the classroom by July. Tony Moronis, 9 on Your Side.